Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex, and I am here with a full body stretch, flow, all levels, no props required. If you're new here, welcome to my yoga YouTube channel. Let's start standing. Bring the feet together, stand tall, bring the palms together, lengthen the tailbone down. Bring awareness and gratitude to the present moment. Arrive. On an inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Knees can be soft. Take some time in this first forward fold. Moving around, maybe lift the heels one at a time as well. Press to stand. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Look up, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, long flat back. And fold. Press to stand. Reconnect to the present moment, palms touch. Notice how you've already shifted your energy physically and mentally. Inhale, arms reach wide and above your head. 3 breaths with the arms up. Lift out, fold forward. Halfway lift, long flat spine. And from the look up position, hands down, step back to a plank pose. Pine cone. Find strength. Find yourself floating. And lower all the way down to the mat. Untuck the toes, cobra, squeeze the legs strong, lift up halfway. And lower. Press up to a tabletop. 1 round of cat-cow, inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Press back, downward facing dog. You can pedal it out or find stillness. It's up to you. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width. Index finger points straight ahead if you want to take a peek. And press into the front part of the hands. Tabletop. 1 cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Puppy pose. Walk the hands to the top of the mat and bring the forehead down. Keep the hips over the knees. Shift your weight forward into Sphinx pose. Prop up onto the elbows. Forearm distance between the elbows. Here's another pine cone if anyone wants it. Press down. through the shoulders, the elbows, under the wrists, the palms. Legs are strong. Pull the chest through. Release. Press up to a strong tabletop. Downward facing. Standing on the left foot, reach the right leg back and up. Let the hip open. Squeeze the right leg strong. Open up under the chest like you did in puppy pose. Pigeon right side. Modify as needed. You can do this seated or lying down. Try to square your hips to the front of the mat. Someday the shin is parallel to the short edge of the mat. And we're going to fold forward. Soften the temples. If the mind wanders, bring it back to the present moment. Notice if anything is tensing up, like the jaw, or maybe you clench your hands. Smooth that out. Let it go. Let's start to release out gently, mindfully, back to downward facing dog. Minimize extra movement. Draw a line down the center of the body and compare how the right side feels compared to the left. Stand on the right foot, lift the left, back up, squeeze. Keep the shoulders level and breathe. Pigeon left side. Begin to release out and back to downward facing dog. Upward facing, ripple through. Keep the toes tucked, knees lifted. Lift the chin a lot at the end. And downward dog. Lower the knees to the mat. Have a seat. Turn to face the long edge. But out. Sit up evenly. Sit evenly. Sit tall. Left arm up and over. Side body stretch. And sit up. Switch out the legs. Right foot in, left foot out. Establish your balance and then right arm up and over. And sit up. Bring your left foot in. Sit tall. And inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, twist to the right. Float the hands down. Bring the right shoulder back. And release through center, arms lift. And twist to the left. Back through center, closing breath. Arms reach wide and overhead. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Close the eyes for a moment. Be grateful for your presence. Be grateful for your thoughts, your ideas. Light. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. It's been a fun morning. Make sure you add me on Instagram, please. Let's hang out on there. I've been posting more often. And let me know if you have seen any of my short videos. Those have been kind of fun to make. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up so that other people have more of a chance to also see it. All right, I'm gonna go do chores, maybe make a smoothie. Namaste.